If you have some cold leftover potatoes, one of the best dishes you can make is home fries. And it's a very simple recipe, some fat and some salt and pepper, but I like the German version, the Bratkartoffeln, a bit better, with some bacon and some onion, and I show how to make it here. So you need cold boiled potatoes, onion, spring onion in this case, and some bacon or some ham, as long as it's smoked and salty. First off, you gotta peel the potatoes, or rather cold potatoes like this. You don't peel them, you scrape them. And I usually just boil them as they are. I don't clean them up or anything before I boil them, because it's much easier to do when they're cold. So I make a small score in the skin, then I scrape the long way around the equator, and then I take the north and the south pole afterwards until it's clean, and I remove any small bits. The spring onion, remove the outer layer, so it's nice and fine, nothing rotten. Rinse. Then I cut it into a bit more manageable sizes, and halve those. Cut right down through the center. Then they're a lot easier to handle when you cut them up. In about 1/4 inches or 1/2 centimeter. And the bacon pieces, they should be approximately the same size. And you can also use a nicely dried ham for this. I cut the potatoes into approximately 1/2 centimeter, 1/4 inch in size. And if they are large, I halve them. It's not that important the size, because they are cooked, so they just have to be heated. But the more surface you have to add some browning, the better they will taste. Then I add the fat. This is about 1/2 deciliter, a 1/4 cup. It might look like a lot, but it really is the easiest way to make the potatoes. They don't stick to the pan, they are well oiled, and they will not absorb any more oil than they can anyway. Cover them in the oil so they won't stick when you turn them. And let them fry for as long as possible on the same side. Shaken like this to make sure they don't stick. And then flip them over. And if you have a pan and the skill for it, you can turn them over in the air like this. But the pan has to have the right shape for that to work. And this is a small portion for 2 people, so I can add the bacon at the same time. If I made a larger portion, I would pre-fry the bacon a little bit. Then I add the onions. I add these now that the potato has some color, because otherwise they would simply burn. You will have little black pieces of charred bacon and onion. There's nothing nice about that. Now they're about done. Tip over the pan a little bit and let the fat run off. It runs to the bottom. There's a lot of fat down there, so it's not inside the potatoes. And all that's left now is to eat. So enjoy. And you can find the list of ingredients and the recipe on Kvalifood.